Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can get a void check from BMO online. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you are logged into your BMO account and this will help you provide banking details for direct deposits or pre-authorized payments. So once you log into your account, you will see the account section. So you will just have to click that and then you will click view account details, and after that you will click request void check or download void check, and then you will choose the format, which is either PDF or printable, and then you will click confirm. And finally, you can just save or print the void check for your records or submission. And that's basically just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.